Rakatukupa, tukupa. Rakatukuta, tukupra.
Hey, give me one kiss, da.
One is
Please, da.
enough, huh?
Please.
Hey, come, let's go. Hey, come, let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Veera, 6 rounds.
Let's see tomorrow.
Okay. Wow, beautiful.
I didn't see you, sorry.
No problem. Wonderful. Thanks, my boy.
Hey, she looks like an auntie. You're calling her beauty, old man.
Veera, for you she's auntie. For me she's beauty.
To hell with him. Mahate, I'm leaving.
Carry on, carry
Bye.
on. What a cheek.
Hey Karthi, come quickly. How long do you take?
Hey, stop irritating da. You know right, I need 2 hours to take bath. Don't behave like a girl.
Such a big pothead you are.
Come on. Smells different. A new shampoo, huh?
Let me warn her. Hey lady, I've handed over the rent bill to your husband. If you delay the rent like last month, I'll really get pissed off, understood?
I will pay on time this month, Mate.
Are you sure?
He tortures more than the owner.
Smells nice. Smell is so nice.
Madan, rent for this month is 3,110 per head.
Okay,
Hey
okay.
Karthik, this is for you too.
Mate, why
Eh?
does the rent keep increasing every month?
It's proportional to your electric
Eh?
bill. I will love your shape of you. I will love your shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet too.
Sir, he'll be here soon. Hey, Kosi man.
Yeah, he's here, sir.
How long, man? I'll open and give, sir. Phew.
I got it, sir.
Sir,
You
please
have
no,
it.
sir. Sir, please no, sir.
It's protein, da.
Sir,
Have
no,
it,
sir.
da.
Don't want, sir. Sir, no, sir.
Hey, have it, da.
I'll tell you, sir.
Do you think he will let go you if you refuse? I already got my share.
Hey, see how I made him speak. Just having brains isn't sufficient. Learn to use it.
You'll tell it to inspector only. You'll not tell it to me. No harm in trashing fellows like you. Politeness doesn't work. Why you staring? I'll hit in your face.
Yes, tell me, sir.
Remember the last land deal you got?
Huh.
You told about some expert who did it. Who is it?
He's our guy, Abhairaj, sir.
Immediately get him and come to me.
Okay, sir, right away. Sir, greetings, sir. Sir, this is the guy I was talking about, Abhairaj.
Hello, sir.
So what? Will you seal the deal for sure?
Definitely, sir.
The land next to the one we bought last time. My son-in-law needs it. So talk to the owner as required and make sure you are there till the deal is done.
Sir, he's our man. He'll definitely do it.
Okay. Tomorrow we'll meet at the bar. Okay? Hey, mad fellow! Why did you shoot him, man? You crazy! Why did you shoot him?
Sir, even last time I shot based on your code signals of looking at your watch, I thought you were signaling the same, sir.
I was just checking the time of the day. To hell with you, man, seriously. Now, how will I seal that land deal, man?
That's not a problem at all, sir. There are 99 others like him out there. I will help you with it. Sir, I will take care of this corpse. You take leave. Sorry, brother. My bad.
Looks like a rich guy. He's here to buy an expensive mobile. Welcome, sir. Doesn't mind me at all. Sir, welcome.
My mobile is hanged. Where can I get it repaired?
Mobile hanged?
Mobile. It's hanged. Where to go?
Go to Niman's. Go there.
Where?
Go there.
There.
It's hanged.
It's not working. Take it.
Looks like software problem. You wait there 2 minutes.
You want me to wait? Shall I wait here?
Yes, please wait.
Sir, please don't touch it. Give me back.
Shouldn't I test those?
My work is done. Take it.
Is it done? Okay, thank you.
Sir, 150 rupees. Give it and go.
Hey, buddy.
What?
Buddy, looking at others'
Nice,
personal
huh?
stuff. Exciting experience, huh?
Looks like a monkey, but has Korean adult films. Look at the crappy videos.
I've never seen pictures like this. Nice.
Hey, I have seen this already, man.
It's boring.
No one can stop me anymore. I'm coming there.
What is this? Why is this old man dancing as if he's got fits? Matai, having fun, huh?
Don't jinx it, Karthik.
There is no one who can stop me anymore. I'll be there. I'll be at the top. Hey, bro. No one can stop me from becoming an actor.
Hey, if you keep talking like this, nobody can stop me from going mad, huh?
Hey, you don't have a little bit of
shame also.
No, mom.
Why are you asking so much of money?
It's for CAT course. Just 10,000.
But what about the previous course?
That was for networking course.
10,000 you want?
Yes, mom.
I won't give you a penny return home if you don't have any
Okay,
money.
mom. Put it into my
I told
account.
you I'm
I'll
not
talk to you
giving
later.
now.
Boss, make it fast, 2 dosa and 2 parota.
Hello, boss. Hey,
stupid
hey,
fellow. Don't
stop,
come
stop
here.
hurting
Get
him.
out,
Stop
get
hurting
out.
him.
What are you
Don't-
doing
hey,
here?
Leave him, I
You
said.
can't stay here.
Leave
Go,
him
go,
alone.
go now.
I said,
Go,
leave him
get out,
alone.
get
Hey,
out.
guys, why don't you go and help him?
Stupid
man?
He's like a retard. Why
Leave
should
from
I
here.
help
should leave
him?
him
Now,
alone.
Go now.
You go, help him, go.
Get out. Get out now. Get lost. Get out from here.
Bro, will you really become an actor? Do you realize it's a huge task? Accepted that you performed at college culturals, that is all okay. Don't take all that appreciation to your head. Acting is not that easy, bro.
Matai, why are you sitting quietly?
Hey, come on now. He was looking into the mirror and acting throughout the day. Looks for sure he'll soon become a hero.
Matai, stop giving him false hopes. Instead, advise him to take some nice job.
Are you done showing off? You got lucky. You found 2 dumb heads and convinced them to open a mobile shop. So shut up.
Hey, it's just not their investment. Even I have invested money that I've taken loan from my family. Why do I need this?
First pay the bill for the food.
Oh. Matai, hold properly, you may fall.
You just shut up, man. Huh? Who the hell is this? Troubling me so early in the morning. Who could it be? Huh? Whoa, it's the owner. Why did he show up unannounced? What do I do now? Hey, Madan, Karthik, wake up. The house owner is here, man. Wake up, quick. Go hide in the bathroom. Go. Hey, the owner is here. Wake up. Go to the bathroom,
I
quickly.
don't want to go to bathroom.
One kick and you will feel it. Get up, man. Get up, Jack.
What is it?
Go, man. Go hide.
Why should we
Owner
hide
is
if the
here,
owner
man.
comes?
Go hide. I'll let. Please get up, Jack. Go hide in the bathroom. I will explain it later.
Why so late?
I was in the toilet, sir.
Oh,
Wonder how I will manage now.
not bad. The old days kept the house clean. Only you stay here, right?
Yes, sir.
Thought I could do some alteration and stay here.
What the hell?
You don't worry, sir. You will find the house exactly how you handed it over to me.
What the hell? What game is he playing now?
Wait, let me use the toilet.
Oh no.
He is gone.
Please use some toilet outside.
Why?
Stinks inside.
What stinks?
My stomach's
He's
really
handling the
upset.
situation rightly.
Please don't
Oh,
mistake.
okay, fine. Old man, take care of the house.
Okay, sir. Hi, sir. Sorry, guys. All these days, I forgot to tell you a secret. Please forgive me.
You forgot.
If I collect all the rents in this building and deposit owner's account, I don't have to pay rent for this house. He lets me stay for free. So I got you guys to stay here and collected rent from you and covering my expenses.
You take money from us and play with us, huh?
Your rent covers just small expenses. I squeeze my brain for ideas. And in every house rent, every month, I add extra on electricity bill 25 rupees, then water bill, etc. on each unit and cover all my expenses.
I thought you just wanted to help the owner, uncle.
In these modern days, even siblings won't help without any benefits. The owner is no one to me.
Look at him.
I am saving up money so that before I die, I could go to Thailand and get a Thai massage. Understood?
Mataye, at this age, you want Thailand massage, huh? That too for this body. From now on, I won't pay the rent.
Hey,
You get only this fart.
what's wrong with you?
I was kidding the Karthik. Please pay the rent on time.
Even an umbrella is a hurdle to me becoming an actor. Nothing can stop me from reaching my goal.
in the office. Keep the 5 lakhs in the office. Keep the 5 lakhs in the office. Keep the 5 lakhs. Two people cannot play this game. Huh?
Jai bhai dabak. Jai bhai dabak.
There they are.
Jai bhai
Hey,
dabak.
do you wanna join in?
Okay, join
Come join. Jai bhai dabak. Oh shit.
Hey Suresh, it's me.
Tell me,
If you're making any short film, please let me know.
you want to act or what?
Yeah, I've decided to get into this full time.
Okay, dude. I'm rushing to a pub with my short film team.
Where, dude?
At Evok pub, yeah. It's a treat. You want to join?
Right now?
Yes, yeah. Come to Deer Depot.
I'll come.
I'll pick you from there.
Yeah, sure. Bro, the short film that you made, The Headache Balm, it was mind blowing.
Thanks, buddy.
Congratulations to you too. You've acted very well.
Thanks, boss.
Bro, next time you're making a short film, you have to give me a chance.
Definitely, buddy.
Sir, is it really you?
Yes, it's me.
You are the hero of Headache Balm, aren't you?
That was me.
Congratulations, sir. You acted really well.
That's what everyone says. After doing this Headache Balm short film, my market value has raised like a rocket propeller. In fact, see, even now also, I'm on my way for a shoot.
Shooting, Hey, what, bro? You said you were treating us in a bar for the success of your short film. He's saying he's going for a shoot.
You don't worry, buddy. We are going to have a drink. Only this dog is going for shoot. We'll just drop him on the way. Mitran, sorry, don't mind. I really didn't mean it.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
My phone fell down and it's not working properly. Can you please check it out?
Sir, service is done there.
What is this? Nothing is visible.
Can't hear while on a call. Can you please check it?
For you or mobile?
What?
Oh, sorry. iPhone. It's a speaker issue. Please wait.
Okay.
How much for that Lenovo K4?
K4,
12,500, sir. I'm short of cash. I will come
Sir? Mobile ready, sir?
How much?
Please pay it over there.
Oh, how much?
300, sir.
Hey, boss.
Come. Thomas, bundle, come soon. Otherwise, he will scold us.
Okay, coming. Good evening, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Hey, I asked you to take this back to the office, no? Why did you bring it here, da?
Sir, I forgot, sir. The full amount is in the bag only, sir.
Because he'll forget only, I asked you to remind him.
Sorry, sir. What you told me to tell, I told it to him. But when I wanted to tell it to him, he told me something and I forgot what you told me, sir.
At least you would have told, no, da?
Sir, if I had done the job, it would have been unethical.
Successful people.
Mami, ya yo sé que tú no te me vas a quitar. Lo que me gusta es que tú te dejas llevar. Todos los weekends ella sale a vacilar. Mi gata no para de janguear porque ella le gusta la gasolina.
Coming, sir. He's a greedy fellow. Just keep the bundle on the top and hide the rest. You should not get any doubt. Stop nodding and take the bag from the fat fellow.
Hey, Mandal, give me the bag, da.
Looks like a happening place. Sir, what would you like to have?
Can't we discuss that later, Mr. Sopan?
Stop pulling my legs, sir.
Oh, so you understood, huh? And so, how's the business running? Who's this lady?
She comes weekly. She's a regular client. So got her for a small party here.
Okay, fine.
Here you go, sir. Very important.
Yes.
I think he's smelling it.
You thought you could hide it from me, huh? I found it out.
This is what he smelled, huh? Stupid fellow! Stupid fellow!
Don't hit me,
It was
sir.
such a waste getting you here,
Oh my
stupid
God.
fellow. Haven't you ever eaten a peanut burger before? Huh?
Just burpee, sir.
Okay, dude.
Oh, you like him, huh?
You need anything? I'll go get it.
Okay. Move your body, man.
Okay, sir.
One large repeat.
What, dude? Got something this time?
Let's see what's there in it. It's just photos.
Call recordings, da.
Yes, bro. Let's see what else we can find out.
Hello, Mohana. I'll be home for lunch today. Don't toil so hard. Just brother would do.
Ella se pierde, no le rinde cuentas a nadie. Súmale mambo pa' que mi gata
Hello,
prenda los motores.
excuse me.
Súmale mambo pa' que mi gata prenda los motores. Súmale
Do you
mambo
see
pa'
that
que
lady
mi gata
there?
prenda los motores.
Spend an hour with her and you'll get paid 20,000. Don't get confused with who I am. Go home and relax and tell me. Think and tell me. I hope you understood. Here's my card.
Hello, Padrinda. I have placed the 20 million in the locker in the hall. I'm leaving in 2 days. It's regarding a money deal. I'll be back only after a week. Hello. Hello. Make sure that we don't lose that land. Pay that 20 million as an advance for that land. You don't worry about that. The land is ours. Still, I have placed the money in the locker. Use it if needed. I'll be back in a week.
Hey, customer came. Go check.
Ella le gusta la gasolina. Dame más gasolina. Le encanta la gasolina.
Bad fellow. Hey Karthil, look at him. He's gone to a pub leaving us and partied hard.
Forget Matai.
Did he also post to? Why is he behaving so negligent?
Still, I have placed the money in the locker. Use it if needed. I'll be back in a week.
Bro, why do you look so dull? What happened?
Nothing like that.
Sir, the phone, sir. The phone's ringing.
Hello? Who is this? Hey.
Sir, my name is Manigandan. Sir, I wanted
To talk to you about.
We met at the pub yesterday. You gave me your visiting card.
I shall let you know where to go and what to do in hour's time. Wait some time.
Fine, sir. Okay.
Is he going to party again without me? What the hell? Doesn't he mind me? Huh?
First of all, we don't know him. How we are gonna steal from his house? Do you think it's so easy, eh?
Hey, forget him. You tell me, bro. We all will share the loot.
Who will say no to money, Karthi? If you're not facing any problem, then I'm in. But also, we don't know who is he or where is he coming from.
Fine. We'll follow him and find the house. We'll rob only if it is safe. Else leave.
Hey, come on, guys. Don't leave me out of this. First, find out his house. Then we'll plan it.
Yes. Tell me, how are we finding his house now?
Bro, didn't he come here in his jogging outfit yesterday?
Yeah.
I think today evening also he might go for jogging.
Super, da.
What do you say, bro?
Hello? Sir, I've reached Keelkatlai bus stop.
Ask somebody and go to Anbanagar.
Okay, sir.
Reach there first and call me. I shall tell you what to do next. Got it?
Okay, sir. Sir, how to go to Anbunagar? Anbunagar.
Anbunagar.
Hello, sir, I've reached Anbunagar.
Okay, man. Go to Tangam Lot nearby.
Where, sir?
Tangam Lot, man.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
He will be in room number 107.
Okay, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Room number 107.
107. Turn right.
Thanks.
It's okay.
Hi. Come in. Don't feel shy. Come sit. So, first time you will feel strange. Don't be scared, huh?
Hey Madan, my pant is missing, da.
Why is this of thinking? Phone. Hello?
Did he come there?
I don't think he's come here, da. I asked Raghavan. He didn't come, it seems.
Is it?
Did he come there at least?
He isn't come here also. Bro, wait. Look like his car. Hold on, hold on. Hey, he's here. You guys leave. I'll follow him. Quite a big house.
Tell me, bro.
Buddy, I'm planning to make another short film. You will be playing a hero, okay?
Hey, bro. Thanks, bro. Thank you so much. So, what's the subject? Should I change my look for it?
Hey, don't be excited. This is a love story. We'll have to pay a huge amount to a leading lady artist. Arrange 30,000 and you can play a hero in the short film.
Okay, bro. I'll confirm by evening.
Whatever it is, please make it fast, buddy. Water is very cold today.
don't think I can take bath today also.
Sir,
Huh?
phone.
This fellow, Hello?
Hello, sir. It's me, sir.
Tell me, Manikantan.
Sorry, sir. I don't know who you are and what work you do.
Kigala, man. I think you have heard about Call Boy.
I've heard, sir. If there is any work, let me know, sir.
In order to become a member here, you need to pay 7,000 in online payment.
7,000. Sir, I have no money right now. After I finish this, I'll pay you, sir.
Okay, fine. Send me your photo, height, weight, and size to my
Okay.
WhatsApp number.
Send me properly everything.
Okay,
Stop
sir.
repeating and nod your
Okay,
head.
sir.
You're just telling. Okay.
A client from ECR Road is asking for someone in the age range of 25 to 27, sir.
10 photos, man.
Okay, sir. Sir, that guy has sent his photos on WhatsApp.
Send this photo also.
Okay, sir.
Stop it and move your pouch, man. Move. Last month, 35. This month, we must achieve 45.
Yes, sir.
With all the hard work and everything.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
That
sir.
also. Full dedication.
Yes, sir.
Hey, one of the Jalabala medicine box is missing.
Ayo, sir, I didn't take, sir.
What else can you do with such a belly? Hey, call for that Kamalan party, man.
Yes, sir.
Ayo, this is a headache, man.
Sir, it's ringing, sir.
Why don't you dance along with them? Idiot.
Hey, looks like next order. Hello, sir.
What, man? I'm getting lot of complaints about you,
Sir,
man.
complaint. Sir, what do you mean?
Effort is not enough, it seems.
I did a good job, sir. What happened?
You do one thing. Come to my office and get the Jalabala medicine.
Okay, sir.
Only then you'll get the effect.
Okay, sir. Holy Mother, she promised not to tell others. Shit.
Hello?
Tell me, sir.
Your good time has started, man. A client has approved you completely.
Okay, sir.
The side or that side?
Thank God he left. What is he doing here? Why is he sneaking in? What is he doing here? He's walking in as if it's his own house. What is he up to? What's happening? What is he doing there?
Hey, who are you? Hey, why are you wandering here? What do you want?
Well, a friend is inside. Phone.
Get out.
I leave.
I said leave.
Okay, sir. Okay. Oh, this kid is going inside.
Hello, Reshmi.
Hey, tell me, last night,
How was he, As you said, he's too awesome. But I was nervous until he was here. But now I feel relaxed.
Hey, first time it will be like that only, I also felt the same thing.
That's it, yeah. Again,
But nothing to worry,
Don't know, I'm feeling guilty.
We won't be doing this if our better half care for us, no? Don't curse yourself. Okay,
Hey, but no one knows him visiting my place, no?
No one will know. I have sent him without the agent's knowledge also. And we have paid him extra, no? Don't worry, nothing will happen.
Don't know, yeah. Still feeling guilty.
Listen to me. Don't curse yourself. Fine, I got a small work to take care of. I'll call you later.
Alright, we'll talk later.
Hey, bro. Where had you gone last night? I didn't see you.
Last night, I was in a shoot.
Shooting, where?
Well, you know Vadapalani, right? There itself.
Where in Vadapalani?
It was on the main road itself. It was a passing scene.
Oh, just a passing scene, huh? Well, a guy exactly like you went into a house in 3rd Street in Bharati Nagar. I thought it was you. So it wasn't you, huh?
What was he doing there?
Hey, you are hiding things from me. Come on, bro. Tell me openly what's happening.
Please don't tell anyone, bro.
I won't tell. Tell me.
It's a life-risking matter, bro.
Huh? Life-risking matter, huh? Hey, don't scare me, da.
Remember I went to the pub with Suresh?
Ah, yes.
I met a pimp over there. Bro, I'm a call boy now.
Awesome. Super, bro. Super, bro.
What's happening? I thought you'll scold, but you look happy. Bro? I'm not sure if even you can join, bro. Don't have high hopes.
Listen, I'm not interested in it. Guess which house you went in yesterday? In the hall of that house, there's 20 million kept in the shelf. If you say yes to this, I shall cut those two out of the plan and we both shall share the loot.
Hey, what the hell are you doing, bro? I did it because I needed money for acting in a short film. Get lost, I won't do it.
Hey, I'm thinking of making a feature film with you as lead and you're talking about short film. Hey, 20 million, you can become a star. Huh? Think about it, bro. 20 million, you will be star. Don't forget. Let me go. Get ready. Give it a good thought, huh? A star is going to be born. A star is going to be... So bro, what did you decide?
I hope there won't be any issue.
And nothing to worry, bro. All you have to do is go to their house one more time, and that too if she invites you, then things come easy for you.
Hey, she looks like a good person, bro. I don't think she'll call me again. She said it was her first time.
First time? We just got 3 more days. By then her husband will be back. What to do? I'm not getting to know. 20 million. Can't let it go. Huh? Bro, you do one thing. Call her.
Should I?
Oh, do it.
Hey bro, I called to tell you that I can't come to the gym today.
Hello.
Hello, sorry. Is Karthi there?
Hello. You came and went, no?
Oh, sorry. I dialed the wrong number. Bye.
Hey, super. Awesome. Super, bro. Super. Hey, super. Give your hand. Awesome. As per my calculation, she is definitely going to call you tomorrow. Huh? Okay? Let me go cut those 2 from this plan. Huh? Okay? See you. Bye.
Hello? Can you hear me?
It's me. Can you come by 7 in the evening?
I'll come, ma'am.
I'll pay you extra money, but make sure nobody sees you.
This will be second and last time too.
Hello?
Bro, that lady just called. She asked me to come at 7 tonight.
Oh, okay, is it? Super. Oh, the girl said yes, sir. Awesome, bro. Awesome. Super.
Hey, not my girl, that auntie.
Okay, I'll come. Nothing, bro. My friend asked me to write a poem for her girlfriend. I wrote and gave. Now it has become okay for them. Now they're throwing a party for me. I'll go and come. Take care of the shop. I'll come.
Hey, I too love a girl, man. Tell me that poem, okay?
Tell ya. I didn't know your brain works so completely. Tell.
Oh, my bad. I'm in a trap now. Super. Got it. I want to propose you and you will hear to that. And hearing to that, you will fall in love with me without any doubt. And this is the poem. Recite it to her and she's going to fall for you. Okay? Bye. I'll take a leave.
Hey,
Bye.
just grab it and left her.
Let's make a plan. First, let's draw a line. This is the target house. I will wait outside on the left side of the house on my bike. And you will go inside and after some time, forgot its name. And use this chlorine powder dipped kerchief and knock her into unconsciousness.
Bro, that is not chlorine powder, chloroform.
Whatever it is, don't interrupt me. Whatever it is, and use the kerchief and knock her into unconsciousness. Later, you go near the shelf where God is kept, and based on the tips given by me, open the shelf, take the money and bring it out.
Sounds like a good plan. But what if she tells her husband that I am the one who stole it?
There is 100% no chance for it. How can she tell about that matter? She can't, because then she'll have to tell her husband why you were there.
Oh yeah. Suppose this plan works out, then I'll be a star, right?
Star. Okay.
Hello?
Security, go and get 2 packets of milk. Get 2 packets of milk. Go soon and take your time.
Okay, madam. I'll go now.
Make sure everything goes smooth.
Please come in.
Looks like the security will be here before him.
Hello.
Tell me, my dear.
Father-in-law, my work has got over a little earlier. So I'm on my way.
Okay.
Could you please come home?
Okay, dear, I'll come home.
Sounds good.
You please sit.
What to do now? Looks like someone is here.
Even I'm clueless. Don't get scared. I'll only go and check. You just be here, huh?
Hey, who are you?
Looks like someone from the family is here.
Hey, stop!
Don't go inside. There's a dead lady in there.
Mona. Oh my god.
Who are you? What are you doing here?
Sir, I lost my way, sir.
Doesn't look so.
Sir,
Your
no,
look
sir.
says something's
Yes,
fishy.
sir.
Take him to the station.
Sir,
Hey,
sir, I
obey
haven't
the
done
officer,
anything, sir.
come.
I'm innocent, sir.
Innocent, I'll tell you what you did. You went in to steal something. After seeing
No,
the owner,
no,
you
sir.
tried escaping. Correct, no?
Sir, I haven't done
Isn't
anything,
it?
sir. Sir, I lost my way, sir. Please let me go, sir. I've not done anything, sir. Please, sir, trust
You're
me,
innocent,
sir.
no? Come, we'll see the owner. If he says
Huh?
you're innocent,
Sir.
I'll let you go. Start the vehicle.
Sir, no, sir. I've not done anything,
Shut
sir.
up
I'm
and
innocent,
come
sir.
with me.
Sir, I've really not done anything, sir.
Listen
I
to
lost
me.
my way,
Sir,
sir.
look at this
Please
mad
believe me,
fellow.
sir.
This stupid fellow. Why are you talking to him, man? Take the vehicle and
okay,
come, man. Oh. Get lost.
Sir, please believe me, sir. Sir,
Get
I've
the
not done
vehicle.
anything, sir. Sir, please,
Shut up
believe
and
me,
come.
sir. Sir, please listen to me, sir. Sir,
I
I've not
said
done
shut
anything,
up.
sir.
Oh, he's caught.
Sir, I haven't done anything, sir. Sir, please listen to me, sir. Sir, please, sir. Huh?
Why are you looking at him? Do you know
No,
him?
sir, I don't know him,
Okay,
sir.
come.
Sir,
Then
sir,
stop
please
looking
leave
and
me,
come,
sir.
man. Constable.
Sir, I've not done anything, sir.
Park the vehicle here.
Okay, sir. Please, sir.
Make it
Sir.
fast.
You! Where were you? I will give you a tight
Come,
slap.
man. I said come
Sir,
now.
sir, please,
Come.
Sir, it's him, sir. Sir, he was the one. He was the one who murdered my wife and got escaped. I saw him, sir.
Sir.
Sir,
Sir,
he's
I'm
the one,
innocent,
sir.
sir. I'm not
Sir,
done
you
anything.
can arrest him,
Sir, I've not
Shut
done
up.
anything, sir. I
Sir,
haven't
he
done
killed my
anything,
wife,
sir.
sir.
Sir, please.
Stand silently.
Sir, believe me,
Shut
sir.
up and come.
Don't spare him,
Sir,
sir.
Tie him up.
Sir, I've not done anything, sir.
Sit down. I said sit down. Sub-inspector is very dangerous fellow, so you better shut up and sit.
Sir, apart from murdering her, he also stole 20 million from here. CCTV also not working from last 2 days.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
His inspector is in the station.
No, sir. Only two are here.
Okay, that's good. Do one thing. Both of you come to the Bharati Nagar 3rd Street dead end. Hey, what do you do?
Sir, I'm trying to act, sir.
See that he says he is
No,
acting,
sir.
sir.
I mean, I want to be an actor in films, sir.
Hey, why are you so sad? You have done everything and feeling sad.
I'll feel bad for anybody who dies, sir. Huh?
Sir, my wife's vehicle is here.
Oh no. Sir, I've not done anything, sir.
Hey,
Sir,
shut
sir,
up, man.
please let me go, sir. Sir, I've seen this only in the film, sir. Sir, please, sir. Sir,
Shut up,
please
come
listen
on.
to me, sir. Sir, I've not done anything, sir.
What is it?
I don't have the good feeling about not informing the inspector. Tap the vehicle and call him and inform him, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, our at 3rd Street in Bharati Nagar.
Is it? Hey, what the hell are you telling? Ask him if his name is Sopana Krishnan.
Okay, sir. Is your name Swapna Krishna?
Huh? No, sir.
No, sir.
Ask if he's one of his men.
Are you his man?
Hey, tell the truth, man. He will leave you.
Yes, sir. I work for him, sir.
Yes, sir. He's his man.
First, send me his photo on WhatsApp
and let him go immediately.
Sir, I've caught him, sir. Confirm he's the thief.
Hey, just obey my orders. Now you cut the call, man.
Sir. He's asking us to let him go.
Sir, we should obey senior orders, sir.
Let him go.
Hey, now get lost. Get lost.
Thank you, sir. Now, why did they let me go? I'm not able to understand. Anyway.
What's up, Sopana Krishnan?
Huh? Sir, I've already given you this month bribe, sir.
Hey, I came to speak about a different matter.
Different matter. Why suddenly? Sir, if it's for you, only old lady should call us.
Hey, shit. This ain't that kind of a business. It's about money.
Huh?
You'll get 20% commission. Sounds good?
Sir, phone, sir. Sir, phone is ringing. Why is he calling me now? Tell me, sir.
What's up, Sopana Krishnan? Did you steal the money?
Sir.
Very good. But why did you kill his wife, man? Forget it. Can't change the fate.
Sir, please let me talk, sir. It didn't happen like you're thinking. Let me tell you what happened.
Sir. This house looks like a very rich bungalow, sir. They might have CCTV cameras. Please be careful, sir.
I knew something would come up like this, so I came with a plan. Hey, fat sir, get me that. Hey, you idiots, come and help me, man.
Yes, sir.
Hands only on my leg, man. Don't touch my sensitive parts.
What is this? Looks like someone is here.
Even I'm clueless. Don't get scared. I'll only go and check. You just be here. Huh? Hey, who are you? What do you want? Who are you? Why did you come inside? I'm asking you, right? What are you doing here?
Keep quiet. I'll just leave with my money.
There is no money here. You go out.
What?
No money in this house. Just get lost.
How dare you raise hands on me?
Hey!
Huh? Looks like someone's with her. Escape! Only after you told me, sir, I got to know she is dead.
He said he's one of your men. Krishna, I hope you're not playing double game with me.
Do you think that I will do that, sir?
I will share his photo on WhatsApp right away. Check and let me know.
Okay, sir.
Why is he calling me again? Yes, sir.
Hey, if he's nearby, nab him right away. He's the accused.
That's what I told you, sir, but you asked me to let him go.
Oh, that was by mistake. Now go and catch him, man.
Okay, sir. Take U-turn.
Hello, Inspector.
Yes, tell me, sir.
Where is my daughter's killer?
He escaped, sir.
What? He escaped?
Yes, sir.
Inspector, I don't know what you are going to do. Find him and get him to me. Okay. I will pay whatever you demand.
Okay, sir. Tell me.
Sir, he joined this job only 3 days ago, sir. How did he come to know this, sir?
Huh? How will I know? Hey, this is not the time for that. First, go get the money from him, man. Right now.
Okay, sir. Hey, take your face and get lost.
Sir, 1 minute,
What?
sir. The vest strap is visible, sir. Now it's fine, sir.
Thanks that I found you guys. Ayyo. Quickly call that fellow, man.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's ringing. Sir, cut the call, sir. Cut the call, sir. Cut the call, sir.
Why, man?
Don't ask him about the money. Tell him there is a client. If he can come down.
Awesome, Mr. Beardo.
1 second. Talk.
Why is he calling at this time? Hello?
Hello, Mr. Manikantan. A rich auntie is looking for you. She gives 50,000. Can you go to the place I say?
No, sir. I'm not interested, sir. Please don't call me again, sir.
He cut the call.
Did he cut the call? Obviously, he will cut the call. After all, he has the 20 million,
He's
right?
there.
He will cut the call.
Hey, where are you?
I am on my way.
Please come fast.
Okay.
Hey, you remember that guy? We saw him in the pub.
I saw him. I don't remember. Do you have his photo?
Sir, send his photo on WhatsApp. We will definitely find him.
Yes, sir. WhatsApp, sir.
Hey, did any one of you go to that lady house?
What do you mean?
Hey, stop acting. Only we four knew about it. Better you tell the truth.
Can't you see? I'm talking about it. Be quiet. Hey, someone has gone to that lady house, murdered her, and stolen the money from there.
Someone killed that lady? After you said to me, I got to know this matter. Hey, haven't you stored that voice record in your mobile? Delete it first, man.
Bro, we have to delete that in our system too.
Shut up. Are you guys playing games?
What's wrong with him?
Hey, shut up. Hey, sorry, huh? I just thought of telling you this and alerting you people. Be careful, huh?
Be careful.
Come on,
guys.
Come on. Bro, they wouldn't have done this. I know them. Come, let's go. Stop doubting everyone.
Thomas, isn't it that boy?
Yes. Let me confirm. Wait. This is the guy on WhatsApp. Same color shirt.
Yeah, but there's someone else with him. Let's get a confirmation from boss.
Oh.
Hello?
Sir, we found him, sir. But there's another guy with him.
Huh? Nab him also and take him.
Okay, sir.
Huh?
Oh, did I splash mud water on you?
Not on me. It fell on the bike. It's okay.
I have water, sir. Wash it.
Huh? It's not fallen on me. It's fallen on the bike.
No,
you
no,
can
no.
leave.
You have to, sir.
No, it's okay. Leave. I'll manage. Please.
No, no. You must wash it. You must wash it.
It's already so much tension.
Hey, what happened?
Hey, stop. Isn't that guy?
Not so clear, sir.
Hey, Thomas.
Hey, who are you?
Hey, I think that's the man. We can follow them, man.
Who are you?
Einstein, cops are chasing.
Go, faster. Go, faster. Drive fast. Keep driving. They're coming. Get near us. Go. Hey, remember, if you stay quiet.
What?
You shut up, man. I know.
This is not the time to think a catchy phrase.
Remember, if you stay quiet, we will just take your money from your house. Make noise and police will find your dead body. Drive faster. Go. Come on. Keep driving. Go. Faster.
Sir, please, sir. I think you have got the wrong person, sir.
Punch your face. Shut up. One punch and your inside will be outside. Hey, Mandal, faster, man. Drive the car. Go, faster. Hit it, man. Faster.
Hey, driver, faster. Come on, you're slow.
Stop it. Turn off the lights.
Sir, can't see the vehicle. I think they took the right.
I know, you keep going straight.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, no, reverse the vehicle. Come on. Go. Yeah, we can go. Come on. Keep driving. Faster. Sir, we have kidnapped those guys. We are waiting outside the resort. Are you there inside?
Very good. I'm waiting inside. Come in.
Okay, sir. Hey, come out. Get out, man. Get out. Come, follow me.
Get out.
If you try something smart, I will bust open your head. Just follow me.
Yes, tell me, Sopanakrishnan.
Sir, my guys kidnapped that fellow. You come to my resort, sir.
Superb, Sopanakrishnan. I'm leaving right away. Well done. I thought you were just a pimp. But great
okay,
job,
sir.
man.
Okay,
I'm starting now.
Tell me, Inspector.
Sir, you promised to pay me something. I've got that boy, sir.
You caught him, no? Get him directly to my house. Myself and my son-in-law will be there in no time.
I'll be there in 1 hour.
Why take trouble? Let me ask him once.
Hello?
Sir, someone has kidnapped the accused. They have him at the resort. We followed them, sir.
Hey, leave from there at once. He's not the accused.
No, sir, we followed the kidnappers and reached their place. He's the accused.
I will take care of it. You leave.
Sir, please listen to me, sir. He's here only.
Hey, just obey my orders. Hang up now.
Oh my God! They just kicked Mandal's crotch! Come on, Dhawan! Let's get them! Run! Don't let them escape! Hey, wait! Police! Hide at once! Something seems to be wrong.
Guys, you may leave now. You heard me, no? Leave now. Seems to be big shot, guys.
Go.
Sir, we kidnapped those boys with great effort, but the cops followed us and rescued them, sir.
Sir, I think the inspector is the culprit.
What is it, Krishna?
Sir, what's going on here? My men got those guys and your police helped them to escape?
Hang up, idiot.
Why is he saying what I should have said?
Hey, doofus.
Sir.
What did I tell you, idiot? Why did you let him escape?
Hello. Mind your words, sir. You ordered me to let him go.
All right. Catch him right away and hand him over to me.
Do I look like a fool? You asked me to catch him and then again let him go? I can't dance to your tunes.
Hey, you better follow my orders. You can't take any action against me, remember that. Listen, all your senior officers are my men. See, we can talk about this later. For now, go and catch him. Huh? Huh?
I'm confused. The police let me go. Then they chased me. Then we got kidnapped. Again, the police let us go.
They let us go. Just forget it.
All of this is because of you. Now look. I think I saw those kidnappers with a pimp in the pub. Look, bro. If this becomes a severe issue and if my parents find out that I became a call boy for money, then you won't see me alive, bro.
Hey, stop talking nonsense. Hey, bro. That police, right? I think I've seen him going jogging with Matai.
What are you saying?
Huh? Matai.
Okay, come now. Let's take the bike. Go meet Matai.
Oh yeah. The other day I did notice you guys planning something in the dark. I thought you guys were watching some movies. So this is the matter.
Finally you understood, huh?
Staying with me and doing things behind my back. Fine. End of the day, you are my team.
Matai, will that police listen to you?
Long ago when he was a bachelor, he used to live here just like you guys. After becoming SI, he still respects me.
Hello.
Hello, dude. How are you?
Hey, old man. Shut up and hang up, or else you'll feel my wrath if I found you.
Don't get pissed off. The guy you are looking for is my friend.
What do you mean?
I called you to tell that I want to meet you and discuss regarding this. Fine. Just tell me where should I bring these guys?
Do one thing. Get them to the lake nearby.
Madan, do you think even I can be a gigolo?
Damn you, oldie.
Okay, forget it.
Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Take my bullet bike and come to the lake area.
Okay, sir.
Oh, there she's calling me. Yes, dear.
What? Tell me, dear. How long since you took the bike, huh? I had told you to be back by 6 o'clock because I wanted to go to gym.
A small case is there. I'll get done with it and come immediately.
If you give me the reason about your bloody case, I will rip you apart.
Okay, dear. I'll come.
I'm least bothered about what you're going to do. In half an hour, you're getting my bike back.
Officer. What, man? My life has been totally ruined. My wife has called me hundreds of times asking me to get her bike. The bike is right near to my house. I'll just hand over it and I will come.
Look, that SI is in very panic mood. Go soon and come. Oh, driver, stop the car.
I will be back soon.
I will break your head if you are going to be too late, I'm telling you.
Sir, I went there because she asked me to come there. When I went there, she was lying dead, sir. And when I ran out of the house in fear, her husband saw me, sir. I tried escaping from him and jumped out from the rear end of the house, only to get caught by you. I'm innocent, sir. I promise this is what happened.
Listen, they are big shots. I'm hearing you out just for the sake of Matai. The father of a woman who died is very dangerous fellow. Even the inspector trembles at the sight of him. I don't think so he'll spare any of your lives.
Come on, Veera. Can't you make things happen? They are our own boys. Help them.
What do I think I can do?
What kind of a police you are?
Sir, there is a way to rescue my friend from this problem. Only if you can help us, sir.
This idiot, he is a master planner.
Okay, fine. See you, Matai.
See you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Either it must be the inspector who killed her and ran away with the money, or it must be that pimp. Do you remember the sub-inspector saying that our father is a very big shot? Our only way now is to go and tell him the truth. That's the only chance.
Oh, so you have decided to murder me with their help, isn't it? Get lost.
Hey, nothing like that will happen now.
What stupid idea.
Hey, loose fellow, stop irritating us.
Hey, don't insult my lucky charm, da. He's done many good things for many people at many instances.
Hey, let him go. Have you watched the movie Tirtu Paile?
No.
Oh, the hero gets killed because he finds out about the affair of a rich man's wife, okay?
Hey, nothing of that sort will happen. You stop repeating that. Now sub-inspector is with us.
Do you think it'll work out, bro?
I will take off it. You come with me.
Okay, dudes. I've got a lot of work. I'm leaving.
Oh, talks like he's like a big collector. Come.
Let's go. Bro, the police is here.
Police, sir.
Go, careful.
Hey,
careful,
it's him. Catch him.
Go, faster.
They're following us.
What does he want now?
Hey, Madan, you have the house key.
Matai, we are being chased by the police here and you're asking about the keys.
Why fear about police when Mata is here? Mata's plans never fail. Remember that. Where are you now?
We are passing through Shakti Nagar.
Fine. Come near Tirumal Nagar and I will take care of the rest.
Okay, drive fast. Go to Tirumala Nagar.
Keep an eye on them.
Hey, Mata is here. Why is he here? Hey.
Oh my god, somebody hit an old man. Somebody call an ambulance.
Don't wait for the ambulance. Please take me this jeep.
Hey, stop.
What happened?
Mata is onto something.
Hey, move fellow. The criminals are escaping. Move.
What, sir? You think you can hit an old man and escape from it?
You fool. The criminals are escaping. I said move.
Okay, come, let's go. Bro.
Let's go.
1,000 criminals may escape, but one genuine person shouldn't die. This person must be saved. Lift him. Come on, do it.
Hey, what did he just blabber?
On the way, we'll drop him to some hospital and go, sir. Come.
Fine, put him in the jeep.
Put him in the jeep.
Oh, now he saw us.
Not
go,
again.
Go, 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 go,
It's
go.
like we are getting
Go fast,
chased
go
by everyone
fast.
tonight.
Go fast, go fast.
Sir, stop. Lift, please. Please go.
Yes, Thomas.
Einstein, you guys left when I went to pee, isn't it? But I saw him. I got lift and I'm following him. You know where? We saw
Take the left,
Vinayaka
take the left
temple,
here.
right? Take left from there.
Temple left, huh? Okay. Mandal, wait for 5 seconds. Temple's right. Temple's left. That means temple's left. Go.
Correct.
Go, drive.
Sir, he looks fine. Let's drop him and go, sir.
No, I'm not fine.
Sir, not this side, that side, sir.
Hey, my house is this way. You shut up
That
and get
side,
down.
Sir.
Oh, there's a constable standing here. He seems to see us only. They're going to chase us.
What are they doing here? First, let me hand over this bike to my wife.
Yes, Thomas.
Where are you, Einstein?
Temple's left. That means it's our right. We are on the way.
Ayyo, I said left from the temple.
We are on the way. Temple's
What?
left is our right, isn't it?
Then take right.
That guy is heading towards the murder house. Make it
All
fast.
right. Okay. Turn around.
Officer, while on my way to drop my wife's bike, I saw those two guys. I have doubt that he is the one who has headed to that murder spot. Where are you now, officer?
Our jeep ran over an old man. We dropped him at the hospital and now we are at PCR.
ECR Road, ah?
Can we meet, sir?
Did he ask you to come?
Yes.
Yes.
Then come in.
Hey, stop, man.
Sir, I have original license only,
What
sir.
is this bald head, man? I'm not asking for license nor helmet. Drop me at ECR Road.
I am coming from ECR Road only, sir.
Hey, drop me at ECR Road and return again, man.
Sir, what is this?
Make it fast.
Wait, I'm going.
Sir, your son-in-law had come to my shop to repair his mobile. I copy everyone's data from their mobile while servicing. Similarly, I copied all the data from your son-in-law's mobile also, sir. I happen to hear a call recording from that mobile as well. I have the recording in this mobile. I came to know that there is money in your house from this recording, sir. So I sent my friend here. But when he came here, your wife was already dead, sir. He got scared and he tried to escape, sir. That's when you saw him and the police caught him, sir. And he didn't know what to do, sir. That is what happened, sir.
That's what happened, sir.
No, he's lying.
Sir, please believe me, sir. Sir, if you want, you can check my mobile, sir. You only check it, sir.
Padrinda, I have kept that 20 million in the locker in the hall. I'm leaving in 2 days. It's regarding the money deal.
Sir, your son-in-law has been calling again and again.
Is it? Then attend. I'll come in 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Padrinda, I have kept that 20 million in the locker in the hall. I'm leaving in 2 days. It's regarding the money deal. I'll be back in a week's time. Hello?
Hello?
Make sure that we don't lose that land. Pay that 20 million as an advance for that land.
You don't worry, the land is ours. You go and come.
Still have placed the money in the locker. Use it if needed. I'll be back in a week.
You take 1 week.
Hey, stop. It's the inspector.
Look, that fellow.
Yes, sir, inside.
Son-in-law, Inspector is the murderer.
I'll be there in 1 hour, sir. That's a signal, you won't get it. What are you wondering? They are dangerous people. They won't even mind killing us. Hey, listen. I very well know that you've got the money. You better hand it over to me, or else I'll shoot you dead.
Sir. I'll tell you the truth, sir. I stole the money on the pimp's order, sir. The money is with him, sir. Even now we came on his order, sir. If you don't believe me, then come, let's go to his place.
How dare you double cross me? Hey, move. I'll take care of it. Come.
He shot them just like that.
Hey, did you see that? We must inform the boss. Okay. Follow them. Go.
Hey, the vehicle came. Stop here, man.
Okay,
Stop.
okay. Tell me.
Sir, I doubt the inspector. He must have stolen the money. You be careful, sir.
I'll take care of it. You be alert.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Oh no. Inspector has started the duty.
Driver, looks like Inspector Jeep. Stop.
Hey, stop for a minute. Something wrong.
Good evening, sir. Sir, did so they ran to you?
I'll take care of them. Do one thing. You go to the station.
Yes, sir.
Follow my orders blindly.
Guess he's sending force to catch our boss.
Hey, go to the station, man.
Hey, follow them. We'll inform this to boss.
Correct instinct, call him.
Swapna Krishnan, where are you? You better come out. I promise I won't harm you. Don't force me to shoot you.
Yo, wrong time for the call.
Hey!
This inspector is chasing me.
Stop here!
Come to the resort at once. Thank God, he fell down. I guess this is what they call fate.
Hey, if I catch you, see what I will do.
Hey, what the hell are you doing here?
Why is he here? Sir, I got the information that real accused is here. He is hiding, sir.
I shall take care of it. You leave.
Sir, he's in.
I said leave. Get lost.
Come fast. Let's see what happened to our boss.
Careful, Mandel.
Hey, wait. Let's make a plan.
Good idea. Let's hold sub-inspector at the gunpoint and...
Who's that?
Heads up. Sir, let our boss free. Or else I will shoot this officer down.
Hey, do that fast, man.
Huh?
He keeps following me to every place. He irritates me to the core. Hey, you better tell me where the money is. Or else I will shoot you.
You guys have stolen the money and now you're planning something else. I can see that.
Now that you know everything, in case if your boss steps out now, they're so angry that they'll shoot him down.
Do you really think I'm bluffing?
It's working out.
I will really shoot you.
Hey, you shameless bugger.
Hey!
Sir, I'll surrender, sir. Sir, please, sir. I'll tell you everything, sir.
Hello.
Come to the same resort. Original accused is caught.
Sir, I won't come until the inspector orders me.
Hey, I'm the inspector hereafter. Come here at once. Go check inside.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
You guys leave, I'll handle this. Trust me, leave.
Thank you, sir. By God's grace, we escaped. No more illegal activities in greed of money.
Hey, so who stole the money?
Why should we care about it?
Why did you put the credits now? Don't you want to know who stole the money? Mr. Editor, please play the reveal punch.
I was listening to songs as usual. Suddenly the phone went dead. Well, I took Karti's phone to hear songs, but heard the recorded call. And that took me by surprise. Post that, his activities seemed very strange. Both were acting weird. The other day I did notice them planning something in the dark. I was shocked seeing you guys planning to steal the money. I followed them to that house without their knowledge. I thought I'll catch them when they come out with money and ask for a share. But I saw someone else coming out of the house from the other side. I was worried if that fellow had stolen the money. But when I checked, he had murdered the girl and left without the money. I took the money, mourned for that girl's death and left from there. But on my way, I saw Sub-Inspector Veera. I thought I will turn away, but then what if he sees me? I was worried whether he would question me about the bag. That's when my lucky charm came there. Hey, don't insult my lucky charm there. He's done many good things for many people at many instances. And somehow I managed Veera.
This bike sucks. This is that constable's wife's bike, sir.
And later I got the bag from Lucky Charm and reached home. And that's when you guys came to me for help. After all, our own boys, hence I helped them. I am saving up money so that before I die, I could go to Thailand and get a Thai massage. Now I am going to